more every day. I love you more each
Bata pa si Marinel. Ano ba siya? Nalito ako sa dating eh. Pero nawalan ako ng peace of mind.
Ilan taon ka na ba?
17. Okay. Okay. So, Marinel, ay munti ko nang pindutin yung buzzer. Kasi yung mga notes, natatakot ako na parang lasing yung kumakanta na kung saan bumabato. Lalo na nung pumasok ka ng till, I almost fell off my chair. Baka ako ma-off-key ka na. And you were working so hard on making all the vocal acrobatics which I found unnecessary. Oo eh, kasi parang lahat ng passages gusto mo lagyan ng pulot. It would otherwise be a more pleasant number.
Okay, thank you very much, Rob. Cherie.
Yeah, I felt Marinel nervous. Siguro nila ng kaba. Kaya may reluctancy ka pumasok sa notes mo. At the time, pangit naman hindi. Talaga naman dala. Talaga nakakapag stand there. I mean, you have a nice tone. Tama sinabi ni Prof na maybe it's better to not push the kulot so much because but the simpler, I always said, the better. And maybe medyo lang hindi nag-link, hindi connected. Disconnected ang mga notes from high to low. So siguro that's what you should work on some more. And you have a nice tone.
Thank you very much, Cherie. Direk.
Ako suspensa ko, inedit kasi yung kanta kasi kailangan 1 minute, 30 minutes lang. Hindi, talaga. Kaya siguro nag-jump eh. Pag nag-audition ka kasi, sasabihin nila sa iyo, in 30 seconds dapat makanta mo na yung kanta. So you're usually you pick the highest point of the song and then you
take chunks.
Oo, so palagay ko na yung nangyari sa pag-i-edit eh, nag-jump. Whose version is this, Iha, itong kanta na to? Kaninong version from Biara Met You? Oh, yun nga. So, many times, she sounded like a Regine. Right, diba? Sabi ko, oh, parang mala Regine. So, I think she's copying Regine. So, siguro, for somebody so young, Marinel, hanapin mo yung identity mo, tapos simulan mo sa ano nagagaling dito sa puso. You know, when Regine started many years ago, Regine started many years ago singing, wala din puso, just fantastic notes. But when she lost her friend in a fire, nagkaroon ng laman yung kanta niya. So, I know you're 17, but I think what's more important sa country ng daming singers.
O, tsaka may love siya. Tapos, diba?
Oo, yun. Lalo na ako pa ng singing.
So, 17. Magagalit yung dati. Pwede na boyfriend muna.
I'm just saying, siguro in a country na maraming singers, importante may tandaan. Right? Feeling ng kanta, hindi lang puro kulot at feeling.
Okay, ang dami na sa ating marunong.
Right. Thank you very much, Direk. Rob, Cherie, thank you very much. Okay, yes. Pero ang mag-decide kung ang nanalo ngayong gabi, yung mga jury. Okay, pero ang gagawin natin mga tao, kasi yung ating mga resulta, hindi natin yung mga resulta. Thank you very much, Marinel. Wala sa simpleng buhay sa Zamboanga na nagpursige siya upang marating ang kanyang katayuan ngayon. Ito po, ang kanyang story.